Life is full of changes. At times, your dreams and resources don't line up. But life is also full of opportunities. Opportunities for new beginnings.
EcoSoil is excited to partner with Groundworks to reach the full potential of the company that we all saw 7-8 years ago.
I think EcoSoil has always had the limitation of not having the capital needed in order to truly unlock our true potential.
The resources that Groundworks are going to be able to bring to EcoSoil are going to be giant. To have those resources needed to shotgun the growth of this business is the reason that we've decided to partner with Groundworks.
Groundworks will give the opportunity for our team players to be educated and get the training they need.
The training that Groundworks can provide that we don't have will tremendously help us in the future and better our employees.
Now that we are nationally backed by Groundworks, it's going to give our clients more confidence in our industry.
That will allow us to have that trust of our customers that if we're partnering with Groundworks, that they can partner with us.
Groundworks has always innovated. And so our partnership with EcoSoil is a continuation of our evolution as a business. This solution type that EcoSoil brings to our business at Groundworks will change the paradigm of foundation settlement for years to come.
EcoSoil has two services. We have a pre-construction, pre-foundation injection service that will inject the clay prior to any foundation being put on top of it to stabilize that fatty clay soil from shrinking and expanding. We also have another service that'll go into homes or any facility that has slight movement and do a perimeter injection to help stop that movement from occurring anymore.
What the employees of EcoSoil can expect from Groundworks is continued investment. But the thing I'm most excited about is that every employee at EcoSoil now becomes an owner. So as they work hard, they will be an owner of that business, and their families and themselves will be rewarded.
Partnering with Groundworks for our employees is going to be the best thing that's ever happened to them.
Everybody will have an opportunity to grow and prove themselves.
This partnership with Groundworks is going to unlock the potential that we know we all have.
With the platform that Groundworks has built, and it's going to allow our team at EcoSoil to expand further and faster than ever before.
It's going to allow us to continue to put a good foothold in the state of Texas and possibly expand beyond those borders.
Now we've got that breath of fresh air and something new and exciting.
We're still EcoSoil, but this is a newer, bigger chapter.
Revived is not so much of a death to an old company, but the new beginnings between Groundworks and EcoSoil.
We're going to grow together with Groundworks.
The ability to expand that potentially nationally is pretty phenomenal.
Buckle up and get ready because we are about to grow this to something we never dreamed of.